Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to assign a work order using a simple keyboard shortcuts. First, go to Action Items. Click Unassign, and here you'll see the list of unassigned work order. Click J, and choose the work order you want to assign. Click Enter, and then click A. Click the contractor you want to assign it to, and just click Assign. But before that, I want to show you that the work order that we use is 149895. Before we assign it, let's see here that it's still unassigned. Once we click Assign, it's no longer here. We'll refresh it here, and you'll see that it's assigned to the contractor you chose. Try using this method to speed up your workflow and assign work orders more efficiently. Remember, click J, Enter, and A. That's J, Enter, and A. Thank you so much for watching.